I know. See, yes, that's Yasmin Bleeth. She's a completely different kind of chick. I love you both, but in very different ways. Hey.
Ah. What are you doing? I thought you were going to take her back to the store today.
I did, but the store wouldn't take her back, so then I took her to the shelter, and you know what I found out? If they can't find a home for her, they kill her. And I'm not going to let that happen, little Yasmin.
Okay, good, because I was kind of having second thoughts, too.
Okay, and it's not just chicks, you know, it's all kinds of other animals.
That's horrible. Well, you did the right thing, man.
Well, thanks, I'm glad you see it that way. Oh, funny story.